reel it in. I got the bag, tell a friend. She got some ass, bring it in.
Hi guys, it's me Match here from the Fashion Culture. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to tell you guys about the iPhone SX Max. Now, this is not like a tech review. I just want to tell you guys my thoughts on the phone as an everyday customer. I know a lot of you guys were saying, is it worth it? Is this good? Is this good? So I just want to tell you guys my thoughts on that. Before I do, don't forget to subscribe. Go ahead, just click it now, girl. Thank you. And hit the bell notification so every time I upload a video, you'll know. Like, you guys know you want to know when I upload a video, right? Okay. So this is my iPhone SX Max. I have the space gray and 256 gigabytes. I told you guys that in my iPhone unboxing. I'll put a card right here so you guys can check that out if you want to do so. So before we jump into the video, I want to tell you guys about this phone case. So I was sent this phone case by a company called Chroma. I think it's called Get Chroma on Instagram, but I'll leave the official website link down below. So this is the case that I have. It's really cute. Excuse my nails, you guys. So Chroma reached out to me and they said that they saw my iPhone unboxing and they wanted to send me a few cases to showcase to you guys. So Chroma is really cool because basically they have a really unique company. Basically they'll send you like a frame. So this is the actual frame right here, this like light pink blush thing right here. And you can pick any color you want. I'm pretty sure they have white, black, pink. So yeah, doesn't tell. I was looking on the back to see if it told me the other colors, but they have several different colors. So you basically just pick whatever frame you like. Then you can pick your own back plates. You guys, I think this is the coolest idea ever. So Chroma sent me 3. They told me I could pick out 3. So I picked out this one, which I believe is called Julia, and it's just like the little pink bows or whatever. So if you like this one, this is called Julia. Again, this is not a full case, it's just a back plate. And then another back plate they sent me was this one. It's called Sprinkles. I'll take that out for you guys in a second. And then I just got a clear one as well. So to take the back plate out, you just push it up and now you have your frame. So I picked a blush pink frame and I picked a clear, just like a regular normal frame. So you basically just, it kind of has like a edging on the side, so you just take that and you literally just push it down into the frame. Yeah, and now you have a case. And I'll show you guys the last one. So this is what it looks like, and then you just take it out the case, and it has like a little, each of them all have a little, you know, protective sheet over top of it. So I think this is such a cool idea. Thank you so much, Chroma, for sending me these iPhone goodies. I'm obsessed with them and I love them so much. I really think your company is very innovative and I think it's perfect for people who always want to change their phone case. So if you guys like this idea, go ahead and check them out. I'll leave their website right here. Also, Chroma was nice enough to send me a code, so if you guys want to shop, use the code The Fashion Culture and you'll get 10% off your first order. Okay, so now let's jump into the video. Okay guys, so basically really quickly I'm just going to be reviewing the iPhone. So really quickly I just want to tell you guys a story about this phone. So I ordered this phone right when it came out. I showed you guys the live unboxing or whatever, and I had that phone for about 2 to 3 weeks, and then I was like, I don't like this phone for one particular reason, which I'll tell you guys in a minute. So I went ahead and ordered the iPhone X, and basically they send you the new phone, but they give you about 2 weeks to send this phone or whatever current phone you have back. So I was sent the iPhone X because I was just like, this one thing about the iPhone SX Max is driving me insane. And again, I'll tell you what that was in a second. So when I got the iPhone X, I had both the iPhone X and the iPhone SX Max for about a week, and I was like, okay, let me see which phone I genuinely like more. I know there's one thing I really don't like about the iPhone SX Max, but I really don't like the size of the X. So let me see which phone I really like more, and that's the phone I'll keep. So basically it was a lot of trouble to, not really a lot of trouble, but it was just a lot to kind of get this phone because you have to like pay a restocking fee. Even though you have a certain amount of days to get it back, you have to pay a restocking fee, and it was just a lot. So I had the iPhone X and I really just did not like the size. I've always been the type of person to have, you know, particularly bigger phones. So I just liked the size of this phone and I was like, you know what? I don't think I can do this. So after ordering the iPhone X, I decided to send the iPhone X back. Now, the reason I was going to send the iPhone SX Max back was because of the camera. I think the front camera on this phone is really bad. I think it's really blurry. So if you watch my unboxing of this phone, then you guys saw me say that the camera was amazing. This was exactly what I said. Oh my god, the camera is fucking insane. Like this camera, wow, like this camera is crazy. I was talking about the back camera. As you can see, I was like recording my setup and stuff like that. I really didn't test the front camera out, and to me it sucks. So many people have been talking about it as well. You literally can just Google it, or you can go on Twitter right now and just type in iPhone SX Max phone quality, camera quality, or iPhone SX Max Android, because basically that's what the camera resembles an Android. Yes, basically the back camera to me was very clear, but the front camera kind of has like a blurred effect. So I'm going to go ahead and screen record on my phone so you guys can see what I see. So when I do the front camera, this is what it looks like. Whoa, I don't know if you guys can tell, but like right here it's like blurring my face. Like you can still see texture, but it just gives you like this like blurred look, and I do not like it. And then when you go to Snapchat, this is Snapchat. First of all, look how close the phone is. My hand is like right here, and then my hand is right here, and it's still so freaking close. So honestly, the only thing I don't like about this phone is literally the camera. Like, that's why I'm making this video, just to let you guys know the truth about the phone. The camera is so much different than any other camera iPhone has released. It's really good, but it's also really bad. So it has like this focus effect. It's just so much more high def if you use the back camera, and then at the same time it's just so blurry. And it basically, I think it has an HDR built into the actual front camera. iPhone is on their first update after this phone has released, and I thought with the update that the camera would get better, because I saw rumors about that, but the camera is exactly the same to me. I don't know what to say about it, because it's like Apple hasn't said anything, and it's like at one point it really was a big deal to me. Like I was like, that's why I ordered the iPhone X, because I'm like, I take too many pictures to not have a good phone. Like I really need a good phone. But then I was like, I don't want, like, I love everything about this phone except for the camera, so I just ended up keeping it, and I'm suffering. If you guys have this phone, please let me know down below if you are experiencing the same thing. Some people, the reason I'm making this is because some people said that, like, I know a few of my friends have the phone and they're like, oh no, I don't know what you're talking about, like it looks like a normal camera to me. And then some people are like, yes, I can't wait to return this, it sucks. I don't know, that's the only really negative thing I have to say about this phone. Other than that, to me it performs very similar to any other iPhone I've had. It's just a little bit more high tech, and I think one of the reasons that the camera on the Snapchat app is like so close is because the screen is so big. Even with the iPhone X, you know, the screen is not this big, and then all the other phones have buttons, so it's like not just a phone with a whole bunch of screen. This phone is literally nothing but screen, so that's just something else to take into play. I honestly really don't have any other complaints about this phone. Again, I think it performs as a normal iPhone, but you guys can let me know your thoughts about the phone if you have it, if you want it, and please let me know if you guys experienced the same thing with the camera. So yeah, this was a really quick update about the phone. It's not really a review, but I just wanted to tell you guys about the camera because I think it freaking sucks. Hopefully Apple changes that soon, but until then, I'm stuck with it. Okay guys, so that pretty much wraps up the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, and as always, comment, rate, subscribe. Bye dolls.
Bag, tell a friend, she got some ass, bring it in.